Let's get you a flatter stomach and a tinier waist today. This Pilates workout may seem simple at first, but wait until we get to that one special move that changes the game. Are you ready? Then get on the mat and let's get started. Sit down straight on your sit bones. Your arms are shoulder width apart. Your legs are hip width apart. Now come into a C curve. So move your pubic bone to your belly button and create a slight curve in your lumbar spine. Come back up and straighten your back. This is still easy, but trust me, it will get a lot harder with the next exercises. So you're moving your sit bones to the front, technically, it feels like it at least, and then you're sitting back up on them. That's the movement. Try to maximize your curve in your lumbar spine, as this will engage your abs even more. Now come into your C curve and move to the back until around here. And now come up, keep your C curve until you get your shoulders above your hip bones and then straighten. C curve, come back down, keep your C curve, come up and straighten your back. C curve, come down and come up and straighten. Try to make this move as slow and controlled as possible, because then you're targeting your abs even more. Now come down, move your hands together, rotate your spine from center to me, and now come up and come back down. Keep your C curve and come down and up. This exercise is really hard. And up. Come down and up. Keep your rotation in your spine. And look towards your hands. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. And now move to center and to the other side. And let's repeat. Come down in the C curve and up. And down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Few more, you can do it. We are now working on our obliques, so our side muscles, side ab muscles basically. And up and down. And one more. Move to center. Come up. Move one leg to tabletop and the other leg to tabletop. Close your legs. Your arms are shoulder width apart. And now roll down. Initiate your movement with your C curve. Move your hands behind your head. Come back up with your hands and get up. Roll down, so pubic bone to belly button. So you create a slight C curve in your lumbar spine, which makes it a little bit easier. Move your hands above your head. And back up. And come up. And come down slowly. Move your hands above your head. Come up onto your shoulder girdle. And up. And move down. Slowly. Hands above your head, lie down, and come up. Okay, let's move to that spicy move. Straighten your legs, your arms go above your head, and you're in a V position. Now, try to keep your legs on the same height, and roll down onto your lumbar spine, and onto your thoracic spine. Move your hands overhead, move them back, and come up into a V. Let's do two more. Your hands move down, roll down, hands above your head, chest lift, and roll up. And one more, come down, your hands go above your head, chest lift, and up into a straight back. Now come down, If you have enough space behind you, you can stay in the position. For everyone else, move to the front as I did and get your legs up. Grab them, they are hip width apart. Grab them at the ankles. We're starting off in a flat back. Now round your back in the lumbar spine and come onto your shoulders and up. Let's do a few more of those. Come down, press your legs into your hands and come up into a straight back. And down onto your shoulders and up. And down. Press your legs into your hands and up. And down. And press your hands into your hands. Right. Press your legs into your hands. And come up. And C-curve. Down. Up. Straight back. One more. C-curve. Up and straight back. Well done. Now move a little bit to the back. Your fingers are pointing to the back. Straighten one leg, straighten the other leg. Keep them together. And now move your legs to me. Around to the other side and to the middle. Away from me. Around to the other side and to the middle. Let's do a few more. Try to keep a straight back while doing this exercise. And try to keep your shoulders away from your ears. So don't do this. Otherwise you will get neck pain. We don't want that. Try to initiate the movement from your obliques, so from your side abs. And not from your legs. Very important. One more time. Away from me and around. And let's get onto our stomach to our last exercise. Your hands are below your shoulders. And now you're going to articulate up, beginning from your head to the bottom of your ribs. And slowly come up. Engage your core to protect your lower back. And come up as much as possible. Now come down. Slowly roll down from your lumbar spine, over your thoracic spine, your neck and your head. And come up. Engage your abs to protect your lower back. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. And come back down. Now move your legs up while you're coming down. And move up. Your legs go down. Move down. Your legs come up. And come up. And come back down. One more. Come up. Push yourself away from the floor and come back down. Roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Get your legs together and push yourself off the floor into a resting position. And relax. You did so well. This was such a hard workout, especially the middle part. So I hope you felt the burn as much as I did. And roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Well done, you did amazing. We targeted your abs for a flatter stomach, your obliques for a tinier waist, and your back to counterbalance your abs and keep you in a nice posture so your stomach doesn't bulge. If you feel like doing more workouts, check out my GlowMini playlist in the description below. And as always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!